Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very effective dark spots and pigmentation removal face mask. This face mask is best for summers because it's made up of multani mitti powder, which is also called fuller's earth, and it also has potato into it, which makes it supremely effective to remove all the dark spots and pigmentation marks. This face mask will not only clear out your skin but will also give you that bright and glowing look and will also remove all the suntan problem from your skin. So yeah, now let's see how to prepare this dark spot removal and pigmentation removal face mask easily at home. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly gonna need potatoes, and here I'm using 3 potatoes. And firstly I'm just cutting these potatoes into small pieces. Now after chopping these potatoes, now I'm just going to put them into a grinding jar, and here I'm just putting all these potato pieces into this grinding jar. After that we are going to use rose water, but if you don't want to use the rose water, you can also use the normal water, and here I'm adding a little bit of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just grind it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after grinding the potato, your potato paste will look something like this. It should be of really smooth and fine consistency like I'm showing you in the video. Now we have to take out the potato juice out of this potato paste, and for that I'm using a strainer, and with the help of this strainer I'm just going to squeeze out all the potato juice out of this potato paste. And after squeezing all the potato juice out of this potato paste, your homemade potato juice is ready, and it will look something like this. This potato juice is highly beneficial in treating your dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars and pimple marks from your skin. It can fade away all the dark spots and pigmentation marks from your skin within just few uses of this potato juice. So now let's see how to prepare this face mask. And to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need multani mitti powder, which is also called fuller's earth. And here I'm taking approx 2 to 3 teaspoons of multani mitti powder into a clean bowl. After that you're gonna need potato juice, and here I'm adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of potato juice into it. And after adding the potato juice, now you're going to need rose water. And here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, I'm just giving a good mix to all these 3 ingredients so that they makes a smooth paste. After that you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. And now lastly you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. And after adding the glycerin, you just need to mix everything really well to make a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade multani mitti and potato juice face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This is the perfect combination to remove the dark spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation from your skin, because it has all the natural ingredients and the highly effective ingredients to make your skin crystal clear, spotless and radiant. Multani mitti powder is perfect for summer season because it brings coolness to your skin and brings that brighter looking skin, and also removes the dull and the tired skin. And potato is the best ingredient to remove all the dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars marks from your skin, and it will make your skin spotless, clear, brighter and much more radiant than before. So now let me show you how to use this face mask for best results. So you can apply this face mask with the help of a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face mask. And here I'm using a brush to apply a thick and even layer of this face mask all over my skin. And after applying a thick and even layer of this face mask all over my skin, I'm going to leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes so that it can dry up properly. And once it dried completely, just rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this mask twice or thrice a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.